Away they go. To the Marding, galing-galing Danori inside, rushing up is super elegant. Black Labels running by Drell Italia Aras, and on the outside Prince Purdy by Drell Escape Artist Chuccinelli and gold-plated Key. And at the far turn, To the Mark by Anek, followed by Ding, galing-galing. Super Elegant is racing third by about 5 lengths. Italia Escape Artist Aras, Black Label, gold-plated Key, Prince Purdy and Chuccinelli. As they race the final corner, To the Mark by about 3 lengths, followed by Ding-a-ling-a-ling. Super Elegance running around on the inside, rushing up is gold-plated Key and our to Escape Artist. To the Mark, gold-plated Key, Super Elegant, Black Label. To the Mark, Black Label is on the outside, and finally, To the Mark, Black Label, gold-plated Key, Super Elegant, and Aras for